After walking for what feels like an eternity through the woods, trying to find somewhere secluded and away from dog walkers, I absolutely failed to find somewhere secluded and away from dog walkers. But I have found this lovely shaped tree with all this green moss. So I'm going to set up here. You're right. Because it's coming up to Halloween, I've got a couple of old China dolls and a very strange papier-mâché head. So I was trying to find somewhere quite secluded, and I thought, well, this isn't secluded, but I love the shape of this tree. I'm aware that once I put the mask on, if any walkers come through, they are going to wonder what I'm doing. So it looks like it's going to rain, so I'm going to do this natural light rather than setting up flashes and just get it done very quickly. It's already spitting. I suppose the one good thing about the fact that it's raining is there's not going to be that many dog walkers around at the moment. Right. Self-timer. Have a look. I mean, that's pretty rad, isn't it? Okay. I want to get a little bit way moving on their own. Like that. Put me in focus. Have a look at that one. Let's do one more. It's hot in there. Let's have a look at those. Okay, they were pretty similar. No, that second one. Right. Okay. Oh my god. Right, I'm done. It's really raining.